Class 8, Chapter 3, Understanding Quadrilaterals. Exercise 3.1, Question number 4. Examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of the angles deduced from that. So look at the picture here. As we know, sum of the angle of triangle is 180 degree. So let us check how we are getting these answers. Examine the table. Already they solved it. We need to check how we got it this one. After checking this one, there are some problems. We need to solve that. So, sum of the angle of triangle is 180 degree. We can see here there are 3 sides in triangle. 1, 2, 3. Sides are 3. Next one, we can see here 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 4 sides. So, there is a formula to find sum of the angle. N minus 2 into 180 degree. N means number of sides. So, number of sides are 4. 4 minus 2 into 180 degree. 4 minus 2 is 2. Here also we can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 sides. So, N minus 2. Number of sides are 5. So, 5 minus 2 into 180 degree. 5 minus 2 is 3. Here also we can see there are 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 sides. So, 6 minus 2 into 180. 6 minus 2 is 4. 4 into 180. We need to multiply all these. Understood? There is a formula to find this one. So, here also we can do like that. N minus 2 into 180 degree. N minus 2. So, 3 minus 2 is 3 minus 2 is 1. So, 1 into 180, 180 degree. Clear? Here also 4 minus 2 is 2. Here 5 minus 2. Here 6 minus 2. What is the formula here? N minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the formula. Clear? So, 2 into 180 degrees, 360 degree. 3 into 180 degrees, 540 degree. 4 into 180 degrees, 720 degree. So, let us go to the question. What can you say about the angle sum of the convex polygon with the number of sides? Sub question A, 7. As I told, this is the formula to find the angle sum. N minus 2 into 180 degree. So here number of sides are 7. So 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. 7 minus 2 is 5. So 5 into 180 degree is 900. Sub question B. Number of sides are 8. So formula N minus 2 into 180 degree. Number of sides are 8. So substitute N value, that is 8. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 6 into 180 degree, 1080 degree. Sub question C. Number of sides are 10. So 10 minus 2 into 180 degree. So N is equal to 10. 10 minus 2 into 180 degree. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 into 180 degrees, 1440 degree. Sub question D. Here number of sides are n. So n minus 2 into 180 degree. This is the answer.